Good morning, everybody. I'm Chantal, I'm the co-founder here at Mango Studios London. Lovely to see you all today.
Good morning, my name is Nathan. I am the other co-founder of Mango Studios London.
And today we're going to be doing the Beyond the Game workshop. So we have got 4 stations, and this is about careers in sports. So you might want to be a professional footballer, basketball player, netball player, tennis player, but beyond that there are other careers in sports. So we want to give you a taster today of what it's like to go into these other aspects.
So today we are doing a workshop in and around football. We're going to test people's character, we're going to test their grit, we're going to find out if they have any passion. In this life of sports and world and football, if you ain't got a bit of character about yourself, you ain't going to make it. I just want to see you have fun, but more importantly, I want to see you have some grit about yourself. Knees, toes, heads, shoulders. Come on, come on, come on, come on now. Come on. Come on, get back in the cage, man. Hands on the goal to start, please. Are you ready? Go! Let's go, 3 seconds.
Hi everyone, I'm Chantal and I am one of your leads here doing the media workshop. So as you know, in sports there's many careers beyond just being the player, but you also have stars that are behind the camera. So today we're just going to literally do a little taster and you're going to start off doing some commentary.
Ronaldo stepping up for his free kick.
For him or Rooney would take it.
Can he perform some magic?
Rooney stepping away, Ronaldo's going for it. Deep breath.
3, 4. Oh, he's about to score. What a goal! Standard. That's what he does.
Surely a Man United legend for years to come.
We're building confidence, we're building public speaking skills, we're making sure these young people believe in themselves because you got to know that you have value and your voice matters. So we want everyone's voice to be heard, all right? That's what we do at Mango Studios London. We will boost you up, we will make sure that you know what is good for you and how good you are.
My goal is to get you strong, get you conditioned. By condition, it means it allows you to be able to perform to your best ability, basically. We're gonna start off with core stability, plank. 3, 2, 1, and rest. You want that 6-pack, this is what you gotta do. Higher, higher, higher. There we go. And we're done, we're done, we're done. 1, 2, 1, and done. Well done, well done. Good work, boys.
So, physiotherapist essentially helps people recover, not just athletes, but people in day-to-day living, help them recover from their injuries, tackle any niggles, backaches, any stuff like that. Can I have a model? I'm gonna teach you guys how to tape a sprained wrist. That simple, just like that. Everyone's gonna have a go now, get in your pairs and let's go. Everyone hand in, I wanna see he's done the best one. Hand in. That one looks tight. I'm gonna have to say this one or this one.
We just want to thank you all for coming out today and all being so wonderful to work with. You've made our day enjoyable, definitely. What a lovely finish to the day. Thank you all for doing your best.
Hold on, Chantal. This has been a lovely group and it's been a brilliant experience. Yeah, and whilst I was in the Panna cage, I've got to throw something out here. Yeah, there was someone in that Panna cage that gave a lot of grit, determination, and I was just respecting it highly. And he's clapping right now. Dreddy, come through it. And you know what, Dred? Yeah. Oh, thank you, man. Yeah. I don't really want it, but I'll take it. Yeah.
Just want to say thank you for Mango Studios giving the opportunity to all the boys and girls. Thank you. Big up, yeah, round of applause, man.
They've had a fantastic session, they've really enjoyed it, and some really insightful words of wisdom about the careers within each of those areas. So thank you very much to Mango Studios. We'll be in touch. Cheers.
Doing all these workshops really helped me a lot on like what I want to be in the future. Especially the physiotherapy helped me understood what I need to do. If anyone's seeing this, I recommend this a lot.
They helped us experience different parts of sports like the media and physiotherapy and the fitness side of it as well.
Frankie! Hey, Frankie, hey! What did I say over there?
What do I even say?
Yes, Frankie! Hey, my boy!
Thank you very much, guys. I've had a lot of fun here. Big up to the crew. Well done. Thank you very much. Nah, don't even.